Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment for various colleges in India. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe the channel. So the first college where the recruitment is there is in Sambhunath Group of Institution. They have recruitment for faculty in Sambhunath Institute of Engineering and Technology, then Sambhunath Institute of Pharmacy, Sambhunath Institute of Management, then Sambhunath College of Education, Sambhunath Institute of Law, Nuthan Sambhunath Research Institute of Medical Sciences and Hospital. This group of colleges is in Jalava, Prayagraj, UP. They have requirement for principal, vice principal, professor, associate professor, assistant professor, medical officer and chief nursing officer in department nursing, law, BBA, BCA, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical, mechanical, MBA, administration and pharmacy. They also have requirement for nursing staff, ministerial staff, technical staff, librarian, OT technician, lab instructor and hostel warden. So for that you have to send your application and biodata with xerox of all document to Secretary Uttan Sambhunath Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jhalwa, Prayagraj via post, or you can also send mail to hr@siet.in till 4th of April. Next college where the recruitment is there is in RBS Technical Campus, Coimbatore. They have a requirement for both engineering and polytechnic. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for agricultural department, automobile, computer science and engineering, mechatronics, mechanical, then science and humanities, and visiting professor from industries for all the branches. They also have some non-teaching vacancy like office assistant, electrician, plumber, machinist, lab technician or assistant, junior assistant, system admin, welder, turner, associate, then automobile mechanic. They also have vacancies for principal, professor and reader for this RBS Seedha College and Hospital and RBS Homeopathy Medical College and Hospital. They have requirement for reader and lecturer for RBS Dental College and Hospital. So if you want to apply in all the for all the vacancies, you have to send your resume HRD @rbsgroup.com or nandakumar@rbsgroup.com. Next college where the recruitment is there is in Vishwakarma Institute of Technology or Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology, Pune. They are inviting application for various faculty position. Interested candidate can apply online with biodata, photograph and self-attested copies of certificate on below address of institute within 7 days. Means for Vishwakarma Institute of Technology you have to visit on www.vit.edu. Under faculty recruitment you have to send resume on establishment, then section @vit.edu. And for Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology on www.viit.ac.in. You have to go to career section, maybe there is option for applying there. Next college where the recruitment is there is in Banasthali Vidya Peeth. This college is in Rajasthan and this is especially for this college university is especially for women. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for this architecture and planning department. Qualification and experience is as per UGC and AICT requirement. You have to send your resume along with research publication with passport size photograph. Should reach within 3 weeks to Secretary, Banasthali Vidyapeeth, Post Office, Banasthali Vidyapeeth, 304022, Rajasthan. You have to download the application form from university website. So first visit university website, download the application, fill that, and with all testimonial you have to speed post on below address. Next college or university, Parul University. They are inviting application for post of professor, associate professor and assistant professor and lecturer for the Department of Information Technology and Computer Science and Engineering. So if you want to apply by email, so you have to send your resume on PIET computerhod@paruluniversity.ac.in within a week of this advertisement. Next college situated in NCR region, Delhi. They are inviting application for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Data Science, for Artificial Intelligence, Internet of Things, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, IT, Biotech, Chemical, MBA, Pharmacy, Mathematics, Physics, English, and for foreign languages. They also have requirement for some administrative position like Director Academics, Dean CSE in Emerging Technology or ECE, ME, Biotech, MBA, Dean R&D, Dean Academics, Dean Admin, Assistant Controller of Examination, Deputy Registrar, Coordinators, International Affair and partner. And for training and placement, they also have requirement for head, general manager, senior manager, coordinator, soft skill trainer. Some supporting staff requirement is also there like admission manager and counselor, office executive and assistant, digital marketing manager, SEO or SMO specialist, ERP IT coordinator, network administrator, physical training instructor, lab technician in all the departments. Then for wardens also they have vacancy for both boys and girls hostel. So what you have to do, you have to email your resume at recruitment@nit.co.in. And you have to must to mention the post applying for and department as the subject. The walk-in is between 24th to 26th March 2021. So first you send your resume and then directly go for walk-in on college address. This is the college address, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. This is college code. Next college, HMR Institute of Technology and Management. This college is in Delhi. They also have walk-in on 27th of March 2021, Saturday from 10th am to 2 pm. For following posts like for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the Department of CSE, IT, ECE, Electrical and Electronics, Mechatronics and Applied Sciences. So if you want to apply, then you have to send you have to go for go at the college address for interview with CV and document in support of qualification and experience in the campus. Next college situated in Varanasi, where they have name Ashoka Institute of Technology and Management. They have walk-in interview on 3rd and 4th of April from 9 am to 3 pm. For associate professor and assistant professor in civil department, computer science and engineering, biotech, pharmacy, applied sciences, training and placement, for English and PD trainer, humanities, and also have vacancy for non-teaching staff like photographer, graphic designer, accountant and office assistant. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your CV on registrar@asokainstitute.com, and you can also visit on college website in career section. You can also apply. Next college, Babu Banarsi Das Educational Group, Lucknow. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor. For pharmacy, architecture and planning, legal studies. For engineering, they have requirement for computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence, IT, civil, electrical, then instrumentation and electronics communication, management, basic science, computer application, mass and journalism, hotel management and education. They also have vacancies for dental for all branches. They also have requirement for some technical staff for engineering lab and dental lab, for branches mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, electronics communication and computer science and engineering, physics, chemistry. Qualification required for that, if you have ITI or diploma with 2 to 3 years of experience, then you can apply. For dental lab, they have requirement for dental hygienist, dental technician, dental mechanics and dental ceramist. Qualification required as per DCI. Experience required 2 to 3 years. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your resume by post on the below address. clearly mentioning the post applying for on the top of envelope. Or you can also send your resume on the following email ID: career@bbdu.ac.in within 7 days from the date of advertisement. Next college, TKM College of Engineering, Kollam. They have vacancies for assistant professor for mathematics. Qualification required is as per UGC and AICT norms. Application form can be had from college office on payment of 1000 or 1050 1050 by post. Means you have to take the form from college office on payment of 1000, or if you want to take it at home, then you have to pay 1050, then by post they can send you. Filled in application with copies of certificate to prove qualification, age, publication experience, etc. shall be sent to the principal TKM College of Engineering, Kollam within 30 days from the date of advertisement. Next college is in Sarad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. This college in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. They have requirement for associate professor and assistant professor in the department civil, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics communication, artificial intelligence and data science, mechanical, mechatronics. Qualification required: if you have ME, MTech or PhD, then you can apply. For physics, chemistry and mathematics, if you have MSc and PhD, you can apply. For English, they have required qualification is MA and PhD. For TPO, 10-year experience required. For Japanese, German language trainer, they have requirement: if you have certification in N1, N2, N3J or A1, A2, A3G certification, then you can apply. For applying, what you have to do, you have to send your resume on career@sitcoe.org.in within 7 days from the date of advertisement. Next college, Aditya Group of Engineering and Pharmacy. This college is in Andhra Pradesh. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for engineering and pharmacy. For engineering, they have requirement for electronics communication and computer science. For pharmacy, they have requirement for pharmacy practice or pharma D. So if you want to apply, then you have to visit the college website www.aec.edu.in. In the career section, you can apply. Next college, Jayalakshmi Institute of Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu. They have requirement for associate professor and assistant professor for MBA, Science and Humanities, Computer Science, ECE, Electrical Electronics, Mechanical, Civil, Artificial Intelligence and this Data Science. If you want to apply, you have to send your resume on jobs@jit.net.in. What you have to do, you have to take the screenshot of every college advertisement for the reference. Next college, Bardhaman College of Engineering. This college is in Hyderabad. They have walk-in interview on 27th March 2021 for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for department computer science, information technology and computer science and engineering for artificial intelligence and machine learning. They also have requirement for soft skill trainer and competitive coding trainer. So if you want to attend the interview, then you have to go with updated resume along with all certificates in college campus on 27th of March 2021. They have mentioned that candidate with PhD degree will be referred, but if sufficient candidates are not there, then they will also consider masters. Next college, KCNIT, Lucknow. They have requirement for director, professor, associate professor and assistant professor in civil engineering, computer science, ECE, instrumentation, mechanical, MBA and applied science and humanities. Eligibility and salary as per AICT norms. They also have requirement for training and placement officer. For that, qualification required MBA with minimum 2 years of professional experience. So if you want to apply, you have to send your resume on hr.kcnit@gmail.com. Next college, Lakshmi Vidyapeeth, Sarigam, Lakshmi Institute of Technology. This college is in they have not given full address. Lakshmi Vidyapeeth, Sarigam. In which state this college is there, it's not mentioned. So you have to what you have to do, you have to type the college name first and see in which state this college is there. They have vacancies for mechanical, civil, electrical, automobile, computer engineering, information technology and software development. They have vacancies for all professor, associate professor and assistant professor. For management they also have requirement for associate professor and assistant professor. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your application, means your resume with all copies of mark sheet and certificate with Aadhaar and PAN on registered post to HR department, Lakshmi Vidyapeeth, post box number 15, Sarigam. You have to see where this Sarigam is there, in which state. From that you can clearly identify. Or you also can send your resume on hr@lakshmi.edu.in within 30 days from date of advertisement. Next college, Baba Farid Group of Institution, Bhatinda, Punjab. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the discipline of engineering, management, commerce, science, computer science, mathematics, agriculture, education, etc., and some non-teaching post also. So what you have to do, you have to visit college website, and from there you can get all the details how to apply in this college. They have a career section, from that they have given everything how you have to apply. So that's all about today. You can share this videos with your friends also who have requirement for this type of job, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.